Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Fubo TV on Firestick step by step clearly. Begin by turning on your Firestick and navigating to the home screen. From the home screen, use the search function located at the top left corner. Type Fubo TV into the search bar. Select the Fubo TV app from the search results. Click on the Get or Download button to initiate the installation. Once the app is installed, open it from your Apps section. You will see a welcome screen with an option to sign in or create a new account. If you already have an account, select the Sign In option. Enter your email address and password associated with your Fubo TV account. If you are new to Fubo TV, choose the Create Account option and follow the prompts to set up your account. After signing in, you will be presented with an activation code. Next, take note of this code and do not exit the app yet. On another device, such as a computer or smartphone, open a web browser. Navigate to the URL provided on the screen, typically fubo.tv/connect. Once on the site, input the activation code you noted earlier. Click the Submit button to link your Firestick to your Fubo TV account. After a few moments, you should see a confirmation message indicating successful activation. Return to your Firestick, where the Fubo TV app will now be fully activated. You are now ready to stream your favorite shows and sports on Fubo TV. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.